Alright, look, pop self-made, checking in this bitch. Fuck it, I'm out here thugging, man. Look the fucking. Bro, I just spent $2,500 getting fucking body fixed. And this bitch come back doing this. Like, how? Like, bro. Fucking BMW, man. Look, I'm about to sell a car. I'm really thinking about selling the car, you hear me? I'm really thinking about selling the car, you hear me? On some shit. So, boom. I got the car. I had the car. I wasn't driving the car. I let my old lady drive the car because I'm not really tripping on getting the car. You hear me? So, boom. I'm driving the work car. I'm driving the Acura K24, you know what I'm saying? 2006 K24. I could do something to that if I wanted to. So, boom. I'm letting her drive the car, you know what I'm saying? She ended up getting into a little something, so I ended up fixing the car, $2,500. But when I get it back, I changed these. I changed the VANO sensor. I changed both of them to O'Reilly's OEM. You know what I'm saying? So, boom. I'm still getting limp mode. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming over here to do the, it got this on here. I bought the car with that on there. You know what I'm saying? And these intakes. I'm messing with the map and the T-map sensors right now. You know what I'm saying? The map and T-map sensors. Like the little slots for them to slide on. If you get what I'm saying, like the little plastic thing in the inside, if you're looking inside, they got like a little thing. It won't let you slide on if it's the thing not in the right spot, if you get what I'm saying. I don't got time to show y'all right now, but that's what I'm saying. It's pissing me off, for real. They got a lot of miles, but I changed the motherfucking injectors already, you know what I'm saying? I changed the injectors. If you pay attention, it's not moving a lot, but I feel it. I can feel it. Like, I can just feel that shit. I don't like that shit.